some medicine for tonight?
Yeah, okay, you need Miguel's help for the vinegar because I am taping this. If Miguel wouldn't mind help. Why don't you first wrap the, while Miguel's busy? All right.
What?
Okay.
In our middle of remodeling the kitchen mess.
Okay. That's enough. That's enough.
Was that enough?
I knew that it was going to explode.
Okay. Next, put the bacon.
Put some baking soda. Whoa! There's something in there.
That ain't enough. Put some more in there. It's not enough.
It won't explode?
Let me see it.
There's something in there.
Oops, I bet I was shaking the camera when I was trying to fix my... Oh no, I had a full house.
There you go. Now fold that.
Stupid touchscreen wasn't
Now
working.
fold it. Next, you fold the napkin. Now for the experiment.
Scott, what you doing? What you doing?
You got to be real careful not to let any of that out.
You're so excited. Calm down.
And this is the poker table.
You put
Whoa,
the bag aside.
it's really the lights.
Ready?
Put this bag aside. Open. Put in.
Okay. Here's the bowl.
It's gonna do that.
See, it's swelling. I can see Skylar's head swelling too.
I'm gonna put it right there. Whoa! Whoa! It's huge! It's huge!
Swelling. Okay, what we have, folks, is vinegar.
Explosion in the bag.
Oh my gosh, look at this. It's getting where I don't think the camera
like a
is
big
catching
pillow.
it. Is,
It's like a big pillow.
yeah, look at that. Okay.
3, 2,
Vinegar, a
1.
Ziploc bag, and a napkin.
3. I think it's
Filled
gonna explode in 3,
with-
2, 1.
Oh my gosh,
I think.
it's gonna pop. Oh my gosh. This is getting pricey between the vinegar and the baking soda.
Balloon!
Yeah. Yep, it is. Things to do on a Sunday morning. Okay, say goodbye to the camera, Sky.
Goodbye!
Goodbye, camera.
Let's see the video!
Okay, hold on.